Hi and welcome. Lisa here with a product reveal for the Whimsy Stamps 3x4 Toucan Party Stamp Set. I'm going to share a few details on this stamp set with you while I share a quick and simple card. So I'm stamping the image onto Bristol smooth paper so I can color with my Zig pens. And I'm going to stamp onto a piece of masking paper as well and do a little bit of fussy cutting with that masking paper. Now, this stamp set has one image and 4 sentiments included in it, and the image measures about 2.5 inches wide by 2 3/4 inches high. Now, I masked that stamped image off using the sentiments in the stamp set. I'm going to randomly stamp "Life's a Beach" and "Soak Up the Sunshine" around the image. I'll color the image with my Zig pens and then die cut a few clouds to add to the finished card. I'm also going to stamp directly onto one of the die cut clouds another sentiment from the stamp set. Now this would be really cute with a built-in island die set, mix and match with the Whimsy Stamps Tropical Toucan stamp set as well to create fun scenes with these adorable images. Let me know what you think of the Toucan Party stamp set in the comments below. And for more information on the products in this video, you can head over to the Whimsy Stamps website by clicking the links in the description box directly below. Be sure to join us in the Whimsy Stamps and Inspiration Facebook group. We would love to have you follow us on Instagram and Pinterest, where you'll find more inspiration. Until next time, please take care.